Hi, my name's Xteen, and I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today's day 23. We've got 1 week left. Oh, did you hear my shoulder pop? It's starting to feel like fall outside, and I hate it. Because that means winter is coming. It's so cold. But look at what I found. Whoa, what in the heck? Are those vegan pumpkin flavored marshmallows? You bet they are. What am I gonna do with these? What is that? Is this a large size of Rice Krispie cereal? Gee whiz, looks like it. I guess the only thing to do is make vegan pumpkin flavored Rice Krispie treats. Happy fall! Something I like about Rice Krispie treats is that there are only 3 ingredients, which is great news for a girl like me who's hanging on by a thread. The first thing we need to do is melt a couple tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. I've never had these before. I've had the regular marshmallow flavor of Dandies, but not a pumpkin flavor. Sometimes flavored marshmallows in general are gross, so I'm gonna try one of these. Let's see. Oh no, tasty. The pumpkin flavor is subtle. Honestly, it says that it's got natural pumpkin in it. I feel like when pumpkin flavor is too sugary sweet and tastes artificial, that's when it's kind of gross to me. I don't hate these, I'm excited. Okay, now that the butter's melted, it's time to throw 2 cups of the vegan mini marshmallows in there. Now, with the burner on low, I'm gonna stir these constantly until the marshmallows melt and it becomes one gooey mess. Gooey. Okay, I think it's time to add the Rice Krispie treats. Now we're gonna add 2.5 cups of Rice Krispies. And I'm gonna turn off the heat because I'm scared. I pre-buttered this pan a little bit. Plop that in there. And then we're gonna spread it out a little bit. Okay, I feel like I need to use my hands to shape this, so I'm going to. Oh, wow. Okay, here are my vegan pumpkin flavored Rice Krispie treats, everybody. I think they came out great, although I also think it's pretty hard to mess up Rice Krispie treats. Listen to that crunch. You know what I think? If you fed these to somebody and didn't tell them they were vegan, I don't think they would know. I also don't know if they would know that they're pumpkin flavored. The pumpkin is very subtle. Honestly, I feel like the pumpkin flavored marshmallows are a little less sweet than regular marshmallows, which is kind of nice. She's not screaming pumpkin. She's whispering pumpkin. LOL. Just noticed these Rice Krispie treats expired on July 7th, 2024, but I bought them today. So, they taste fine. Which one are you? I feel like I'm this guy, because he seems like he's faking it a little bit, you know? What's he hiding? There's something he's not telling us.